What is up, y'all? Your boy Half Lost here with another video. This is another flip tour of a completely renovated property, but it's not in Calgary, it's in Vancouver. Now I have a phone with me which says where the property is located. It's my first time being in Vancouver. It is called the Hamptons in prestigious Westwood. Coquitlam, Vancouver, it's the same thing.
No.
Coquitlam is a different place?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we are in Coquitlam. It's the same thing, Coquitlam, Vancouver, but it's in the Westwood Plateau. It's sitting on a cul-de-sac. As you can tell, it's great. This location is impeccable, guys. Now look at the properties around me. I like that one. I like this one here, which has a lot of cladding. So good. So this has been listed on the market for how many days? 63 days on the market, which is, I don't know, it's listed for 2.4 million. It boasts 5,000 square feet, 7 bedrooms, or 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Now that's a big, big, big property. Let's go check it out. My buddy's car right here, the 4 Series. We drove it down here. Pretty cool car, I like that. So this property right in the front, it's a 2-story house and has a double attached garage, which has a potential to have a guest suite inside the garage as well, which is pretty dope. I've never seen something like that before. And wait a minute, do we have an access to, oh no, that's just a mirror. Okay, I was mistaken. I thought it was a door back to the backyard. Now this sits on a 9,000 square feet lot, which is a massive lot. Now going into the property, someone else is checking out us. I'll walk you through the numbers. Nice stairs going up. It's got some type of tiles, I think. It's like porcelain tiles. We got glass railings on both sides, which is nice. And a few steps to get into the foyer right here. So follow me, I'll take you guys inside. Just gonna take my shoes off just to make sure I don't make this place any more dirty. Right when you walk in, it's actually not the regular standard doors you guys see. That's a failure, but it's pretty tall. I'd say this is about 8 feet, 9 feet, you think? Yeah. And I'm gonna shut this right now. It does feel a little chilly here in Vancouver. What was the place called again?
Coquitlam.
Coquitlam, okay. Now this is your formal living space. Obviously, the place is just fully open concept at the moment. It is not staged, so you can, envision anything you want to have, like a pool table right in the front, so be it. If you want to have a C-shaped couch, so be it. Cool, I like that. You don't see gas fireplaces too often. Gas fireplaces are usually only in luxury properties or a little higher expensive properties. Few things is it's harder to get insurance, and insurance is higher, more expensive because it's a fire, threat, right? So high foot ceilings, probably 10, 12, 15, I don't know, 20 feet ceilings, 18 feet ceilings. It's pretty damn high. Got a nice fan up there, I like that fixture. And so in the main living area or on the main floor, we have 1 master bedroom, a living area. So I guess this would be the dining space because we have a coffee table, coffee bar here. This could be your, getaway coffee thing, make your coffee, run out for work. Dining could be here because the kitchen is right here. I'll show you the kitchen. Woohoo, looks so bright, you guys. Okay, so this is quartz countertops. I like this a lot. They have like a subtle grain line here, which very much is similar to like marble. The backsplash they chose here, not sure what this is called, but it's kind of staggered design, which is also nice. They've got some good view in the backyard, right to the backyard. One thing that I like about this property more is that the neighbors are pretty far. They're not really close to us, which is good. There's nice stainless steel appliances. I think this is probably 36-inch wide Samsung appliance. The fridge right here. We've got a nice Cora hood fan. This is expensive. We have electrical LG cooktop, which is good. And this kitchen, I like the combination of dark and light. These are called shaker style. The way this is pressed in, these are called shaker style kitchen cabinets. You have Bosch appliance for dishwasher and nice dual sink. So the kitchen, this is pretty much the kitchen. Kitchen is nice, you guys. And that could be, as I said, the previously where we were, living area and formal dining. This could be your breakfast dining, brunch dining. This could also be used as a coffee bar if you guys want to. This is the second living area. As you can tell, many windows, having this ton of natural light coming onto this area, and another gas fireplace, I believe. Yeah, that's a gas fireplace, which is awesome. Now the backyard, I'm not sure if you guys can really see it. It is getting dark out here. Probably, it's what, 9:30? If you want to show them the backyard is very, very huge for something like this. You can put like a hot tub in here. You can put, a pergola for having your own barbecue set. You can do lots because it's a 9,000 square feet lot. This house was built in 1997. Was all original, so you have porcelain trowel here and vinyl. I believe it's 7mm, at least feels like it. And what else do we have here? We have a ton of storage. There's more storage could be used as a pantry, extra pantry. If you have guests or someone coming over, you can use that to store stuff for your kitchen. This probably would be the linen closet. Yes, so this is the linen closet. You can have your blankets, towels, things like that here, which is good. We have a nice big hallway, and this is a door right behind the steps, which is going to the main, to the top level. This one takes you down to the basement. We have a suite down in the basement. I'll show it to you later on. And this is one bedroom, which you have on the main floor. Nice big closet. Millwork here. These are expensive. I've seen this a lot in like luxury houses, which is over 2 million. As I said, this is listed at just shy of 2.4 million, 2.399. So going from the bedroom, we have a half bath here. Oh, this is actually a full bathroom, right? So there's lights for it. Perfect. We have a standing shower. Everything is upgraded in this property, like the plumbing. Yeah, plumbing is PVC, not copper plumbing. Like in the back in the day, you have nice big vanity there. So half bath is good. If you have guests come over, this is a mudroom. You have entrance to the double garage here. Where's the lights? So you can tell this is pretty much where you enter from the garage. And you have a full laundry here and a sink, which is nice. So all your dirty stuff, after a long day, you can throw it here straight to the laundry. Get going to your house or your property. Now going upstairs, you have a nice, this is not spiral, but at least curved stairs. And I like that they did carpet and vinyl, so it's a mix of both. It looks nice actually, hey? It's beautiful, and you have mountain views right in front of this house. So from the living area, outside, if you look, you have mountain views, and better yet, you have much better views in the master bedroom upstairs. Come on, let's go. It's a cool light fixture. Let me take you to the master bedroom, which I like the most about this property. Huge master bedroom, huge walk-in closet, a massive master ensuite. Better yet, 3 massive windows where you have a beautiful view. It's definitely not the Vancouver, but somewhere out there in the mountains. Probably you guys can see it right now. And that's a beautiful, amazing view. I would really love to have that view in every single bedroom. Okay, and going to the master ensuite. I like the way that they've taken out like porcelain white tiles all throughout. Very consistent, very subtle, white tub, a standing shower with all glass around, and a very nicely themed tiles in the back, which kind of gives you like a wooden feel, I believe. Those are trees, probably in like December, autumn season. His and her vanity, both of you guys, couples, can brush at the same time. That's the main concept of it. Obviously a toilet. It's a huge master ensuite. Now on this floor we have 2 more bedrooms. So this is another master bedroom. This is a second master bedroom. You don't really have the views to outside like mountains, but this is just to the backyard, which is also cool. But you have your own extra bathroom here which is another full 1, 2, 3, three-piece washroom with your toilet, your standing shower, and a vanity. This is a common washroom. So this would be the common washroom for everyone who's spending time on the main floor or the top level. And this is another third bedroom or fourth bedroom that you have. This is actually on top of the garage. So this is pretty much extended bedroom. Now this could be used as a flex room, or you could be used as a gym. It could be used as, poker table can be placed here, things like that. You can get really creative. Now, so as I mentioned, this house has 4 bedrooms on this level, 1 bedroom on the main level, so 5 bedrooms above grade. In the basement, we have 3 bedrooms. One of the things in the basement that I noticed, it has a basement suite, which can be entered through the side of the property. So it could be an income generator for someone who's living up there to help with the mortgage. Ton of living area here. We have 1 bedroom onto this side. This is probably like a 10 by 10 bedroom, and you have a small closet for extra storage, which is good. Right behind this wall, you have a half bathroom is there. What else? You have storage here. This is the mechanical room. The mechanical room, you have furnace. This is what gives you hot forced air. You have a water tank in there. Everything has been updated, at least looks like. So PVC here. This house is about 5,000 square feet, as I mentioned, and you need a pretty good furnace to warm up this entire place, especially during winter months. Now this is the basement suite that I was talking about. Let me turn the lights on for you. So we have 1 bedroom here, a similar kitchen. Just like upstairs, they kept it very consistent, stainless steel appliances, nice dual sink, Shaker style. Upstairs we had double tone vanity. Let's wrap up the tour. We'll just go upstairs and wrap everything up. So the carpet does feel really good. I think they probably would have put out 10-pound underlay and like 50-ounce carpet. So the underlay is something that goes, it's like a soft sponge, which goes right under the carpet, just to give that more cushiony feel. We were in Vancouver. I was able to get into this property to show it to you guys. And if you did find some value in it, subscribe, like, comment. It does help me get places with this. I'll be making more video of those. And if you did find some value in it, do share it amongst with your friends who want to get into real estate. And if you guys want to get in touch with me, I'll leave my socials down in the link below or in the descriptions. Other than that, that's it. Peace out. It's rolling. Yeah. Testing the mic. Hopefully this time it works. Now you can pull it off. You can turn it off. Is it recording? Yeah. You sure? Yes. Is that a red button on it? All right.